Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Husqvarna K760. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more pictures. It's not enough. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacerlo en español al final. Alright guys, this recoil is mine. The handle, I'm in Miami, we call the handle is mine. It's from the machine, but I'm going to keep it because I need it from other machine. Actually, I use it for the one that I did before. It's going to be two of these. Alright, you see here at the top, filter, you can tell it's not good. This has a little bend on it. You can see it has a little hit. You got the muffler, the cover, you got this. Alright, this is fine, but what we broke here was this, let me show you. It's a little messed up. You see right here, it went off, it broke. You got the clutch there. Now I'm going to show you let me see if I can do it. See there, I'm going to throw some good pictures there. Let me move it now for you. Trying to get a little position here. Trying to do everything with one hand. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can touch anything. Alright, we got it. Let me move the handle a little bit. Oh, look at that inside, beautiful. I'm gonna throw good pictures, don't worry about it. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken equipment, this is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix these machines, you're making a mistake. Why? Because they are for parts. Alright, enough is enough, we're gonna give it a shot. Alright. Alright, we're right there. Let's hit it. Let me put one on my spark plug. This is the one that came with it. I like to use mine, you know me. My baby, my veteran. Many words with me. I should call him the doctor. That's a good one. I just call him the doctor. You know how many people he be bringing back to life? Doctor. I like that one. That's it. That will be your name, brother. Alright, I'm gonna give it a shot to see at least we got something going on. I don't even know if it's a show. I don't even know if I can grab it here. It's gonna hit me. Let's see. Easy. Wow, this machine's coming back to life with those attitude. What's wrong with you people? Wow. It's okay, girl. I understand. Okay, guys, we have it here for parts. I sell for parts. So far, remember, recoil doesn't come. Flywheel works, coil works. Out of that, you can get a few parts. You know, I want to throw some good pictures, show you the best I can. You know, remember this part is broken. Also, the little broken too. Alright, guys, if you have any question, anything, I'm here. Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se dura la raza. Mire eso, cómo está el día. ¿Cómo está esto aquí? Bueno, ya vieron otra muchachita más. Ya puse una. Esta es la segunda K760. Recuérdense que la ladera no viene. Me voy a quedar con ella. Es de la máquina. Me voy a quedar con ella. Lo único que le veo es que tiene esto partido aquí, como lo estaba enseñando. Donde va el... Voy a tirar foto ahí donde va. De ahí para allá tiene el mofle, todos los plastiquitos que son un poco jorobados. Tiene aquí la parte esta aquí, luce bien. Acuérdense que yo vendo para la pieza. Si usted intenta arreglar estos equipos, está cometiendo un error porque son máquinas que traen con problemas. Bueno, mi gente, ya saben, más o menos les voy a enseñar ahí las fotitos, todo. Únanse a mi canal, tengo de todo, a poquito voy poniendo. Cada día tengo más. Y voy trayendo más de todo, así que ya saben, mi gente. Bueno, que se me una la raza.